What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode here. My name's Jake. I'm here with Steve. He is the captain of the Ava Jane, and we're up here in Bristol Bay, Alaska, specifically Naknek, getting ready to fish for sockeye salmon. I got here about 10 days ago, and we've just been working on the boat, getting the boat ready. So yeah, Steve, anything you want to say?
Yeah, welcome aboard, Jake. Jake's a greenhorn this year from New Jersey, and we're looking forward to having him. So I've been here since the 8th of June, and we got the boat ready to go. The rest of the crew showed up around the 15th, and we've got it all ready to go, got in the water, and found out we had one issue, and it was a high water temperature sensor, and so we spent a day fixing that. Meanwhile, the Port Muller indices are coming in strong. Looks like there's going to be a whopper of a run, Jake. So I hope you're really ready to pick some fish.
Yeah.
So, and now we're just sitting around waiting to see which river to drop our card in. So it's one of the important moves of Bristol Bay is to figure out where you're going to start fishing. We just had some pretty heavy winds. It was blowing 40 this morning and through the midday, and it just laid down. So we're anxious to see where we end up fishing in the next couple days. And EEX getting some pretty good escapement. They've got about 150,000 river, and so looks like the run is going to be really strong. And maybe we're going to see our first 100 million fish run in Bristol Bay. That's a prediction I heard from another fisherman today. So this is one heck of a sustainable fishery, and love participating in it.
Awesome. Sounds good. Well, stay tuned. We're going to be doing updates throughout the whole season, hopefully, showing you how the fishing goes and what we end up doing and how everything goes and what it's like living on a 32-foot boat with 5 other guys and fishing in Bristol Bay.
4 other guys.
4 other guys.
5 in total.
You're number 5. Plus me. 5 total guys. You get the idea. You get the idea.
Gotta have some fun in there.